Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create a collage like newspaper-ish text effect on CapCut PC. So go to text here and add in a text. You can do this word per word or you can do it text by text. I'm going to do word by word just to show you guys. So I'm just going to type it in like actually word by word. I'm just going to use this, where is it? This font. And I'm just going to make it a caps lock. Then I am going to add in a background to it. And I can just choose like any color I want. Like so. You can even adjust the height and the width, which is awesome. And I might rotate it a little bit. I'm just going to delete the rest here. And now I have to do it to a few more letters. So again, I'm just going to type in a different letter for this. Might even change the color of it, like so. I'm trying to spell out Midnights because I love that album. If you haven't heard of, if you haven't listened to it, give it a listen. You might like it, you might not, but I loved it, so it's just my opinion, you know. And then I'm just going to type in more letters. This is kind of like time consuming, so before you get mad, this is time consuming. Let me just warn you. I'm just going to change the N maybe into a big one. I'm not quite sure. Maybe just a normal N. Oops. And then again, a few more letters, and then we're done. I. Then I'm just going to again change the color. I might make it smaller, just to give it a little bit of a difference. Okay, we're almost done. G, and then H, T, S. Wow. Okay, that's far from done actually, so kind of lying. Okay, maybe I want to make the G. Okay, I'm gonna make the G a little bit big, and then we have a H. I'm hopefully spelling this correct. Well, I am, but I doubt myself sometimes. Oh my gosh, I'm running out of space, but I can move it. Let me just select all by going like that and moving it to the left, not to the right. Okay, we're almost done. We just need T and S. So, oh, T and S. T, and then we need one more, which is an S. Great. Oops. There you go. And once you are finally done with that, you can group them all. Just select like this, and then right click and then create compound clip. And I'm just going to scale it a little bit so it fits the whole thing. And I'm just going to copy and paste this paper texture and put it above. And I'm also going to choose like a blend mode. You can choose whichever one you want, just to like add like more effect to the text, I guess. You can also add in animations if you want, so just go to the text, go to animation. This is now a clip, so the animations are all in here instead of the ones on text. So you can add these in, like this wobble one for instance. And that is it. Kind of time consuming if you ask me, but the results are nice. So yeah, I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!